Hi, I'm Julie Wilkerson, and today we're gonna make, oh, well, wait a minute. I need a friend to make this snack. It's a two-person. Lorelai!
Here.
This is my friend and my daughter, Lorelai.
And this is my mom and best friend, Julie.
So today we are gonna make
Good
friend fruit pizza. So, Lorelai, do you want to tell them about the ingredients?
Yes, so as our ingredients, we have graham cracker, Cool Whip, and you can use whatever fruits you want, but for our fruits, we're using blueberries, bananas, and strawberries.
And to keep things interesting, we're going to make each other's pizza.
Yeah.
Why?
Because Jesus wants us to take care of each other like he took care of us.
So, I'll make your pizza first.
Okay. You'll
Okay.
make my pizza
Do you
first.
like a little Cool Whip or a lot of Cool Whip?
Of course I like a lot of Cool Whip. Who doesn't like Cool Whip?
Okay.
Okay.
And I know you love blueberries.
I
So do you
do.
want a lot of blueberries?
Of course. In my opinion, they're one of the best fruits.
Oh, run away, blueberry.
Oh,
Let's get
well.
them back. And do you want bananas?
Just a little.
How about strawberries?
Yeah, a couple of them.
Okay. Oh, that looks delicious, Lorelai.
It does. Okay, so now I'm gonna make yours, and I know you like Cool Whip, so I'll put a lot on.
Okay.
Okay.
It runs in the family. The
It
love
does.
of Cool Whip.
Yes, it really does. Because I mean, Cool Whip makes everything better. Okay. So do you want?
Just a couple
Yeah,
blueberries.
just a couple. Okay. Here, I'll spread them out a little bit.
That's
more.
okay.
Oh, okay. And then
Yeah, I'll have
Yeah.
a couple bananas.
couple
That'll be-
bananas. Yeah. Okay. And then I'm assuming you want
Oh, yes,
some
I love
strawberries.
strawberries.
Yes. Yeah. Well, fell over, and we'll just put that little guy over here. Okay, and now that we made each other our pizzas, we're going to swap them.
Switch.
Yep.
This looks delicious.
It really does.
Now, before we eat these, I have to say it makes me think of a Bible verse. Do you know the one I'm thinking of?
I believe I do. Is it the one that says, "Take care of each other and love each other as I have taken care of and love you"?
Oh, high five me.
Yes.
That
this
was
is
awesome.
what Jesus said to his followers and disciples during one of his sermons.
Jesus' power helps us be great friends.
Yes, it really does. Okay, so let's eat this
Let's eat
because it
this.
looks delicious.
Mmm. So yummy.
Mm-hmm.
You did a fantastic job.
Oh, I love the way you made mine.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.